Hello, this is Lian from Supershine Robot. We are remote control lawnmower factory. If you want this product, please contact us.